The bun wobbly though. You see that? Honey, I don't know how to feel about Miss Cassie.
Don't you know you don't have to try with me? Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Makeup by Carrie, but you know I do more than makeup. I do a little bit of hair, a little bit of nails, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of everything. If you like the girly things in life, you are on the right channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and comment down below what you thought of this review. So we're going to be trying out a wig from Mayde Beauty today, and this is from their pre-braided collection, all right? The style that I have is Cassie in the color 1B. It is safe up to 400 degrees. Don't think I'm going to be putting heat to it. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. All right, and it has a 13x5 lace frontal lace from ear to ear. So let me go ahead and show you what she looks like. This is what she looks like, y'all. She looks mad funny, okay? That's how she looks for the little bun part, but it looks so funny to me. That's the braid. Let me take it out. All right, so that's the top knot bun that we have. This is the braided do that we're dealing with. And this is also the lace, which the lace is brown, and I think the lace looks pretty good against my skin. Of course, a little bit of work or tint or something to it will get her just right. It does come with a little bit of baby hairs. So we have the two combs right there in the front. We have a comb in the nape area. Come out. There we go. And then we also have some adjustable straps. Off jump, I think that the curls are really pretty. I love these curls. It kind of reminds me of these curls I used to wear like every summer a few years ago. It was the Bohemian curl or water wave curl from Free Tress, and then the Bohemian, I can't even remember what brand it was from, but I love it. It's so bouncy and it's cute. So dang, I'm just dropping everything. Let me go ahead and try her on my head, try to get it right, and we're gonna talk about Miss Cassie.
Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
Chatting about Miss Cassie. All right, so first of all, it's a 1B, so nothing spectacular about the color. However, I do love that it is a natural color. I feel like it being in this natural kind of color is giving it more of a realistic vibe. You know what I'm saying? The baby hairs that they give you are some long baby hairs. Overall, I think the baby hairs kind of gives it a nice baby doll feel, like a little porcelain doll, but a 2020 version, because you know we ain't talking about them old school ones. Them things got some old hairdos. The braided style, absolutely gorgeous. The bun wobbly though, you see that? You did see me put some scissors to it and kind of layer it out, but I love when it has like some layers to it. Like it's a little short, it's a little longer, and then it gets long. I don't like it all at one length. I just feel like it looks a little funny. The back is probably the all one length, but I don't really care too much about the back. The curls are so bouncy, and it would be a shame to tell you that it's tangly or shedding, because I don't know. You know why I don't know? Because I ain't pulling my fingers through this. These are not waves, honey. These are some bouncy type curls, and I'll be darned if I'm about to be gliding my hands through to see if it shed or tangles. It's cool the way it is, and I like it. I think it's a gorgeous lace. It's a nice brown base. It kind of blends to my skin very well, but because I didn't have my skin directly under the wig, and it was more so of a cap. It wasn't giving me that straight to skin effect. I did tint it. You don't have to do it. It's all up to you. Once you put it on, you put some powder on, that will suffice. The black one gives me a better vibe, and I like how it looks. You don't see any lines of demarcation or anything like that, especially when you're done with everything and you put the powder on. I did add some powder to every single part to make it look more real. Because it is a synthetic wig, you can't really bleach the knots. Some of the knots are kind of dark, like on the baby hairs and at the front. So I was like, honey, let me just dab some powder on it, because ain't nobody trying to see them little ants. I think it's a really good price range for the hair, because you're kind of getting a whole style. You know what I'm saying? It's not just curls. You get a style, you get some nice legs, you get some baby hairs, which you do or don't have to use. If you're gonna go the baby hair route, she's not gonna be no plop and go. But if you somebody who not into the baby hairs and you like cut the baby hair off, then you might could get away with like plopping her on every day and going. She is beginner friendly, but again, it goes to say how much work you're willing to put into her. It just kind of comes short just in this little corner right here. It stops right there. So I got all of this out. I got all of that out. She's like barely making it to the big head friendly gang, because she has all of this nice curly like hair and stuff surrounding it. You can't see it. If the wind blows, like honey, like you really gonna have to look hard if the wind blows. But you can always take some like black gel liner or smudger and smudge it right up on that lace to turn it black, so if the wind blow, it will be disguised. Honey, I don't know how to feel about Miss Cassie. If you guys like Miss Cassie, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you're not interested in her, you think she is a no boo-boo, let me know too. I want to know what you guys think of Cassie. Let me know what you think. If you guys are interested in my nails, I did do a tutorial using the poly gel again, which is beginner friendly. I also did an eyeshadow look on this look. So if you guys are interested in either of those, I'll put it in the description box below. I'll holla. See you later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Love you. Bye.
Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me bring you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it.